Greetings from Finesse and welcome to HR Tips Practical that create results magical. Weekend aa gaya hai and I had promised you a bonanza, and the bonanza is Mr. Puneet Talera. He is Vice President Sales and Marketing of Oswal Group. और मैं चाहती थी कि आप इनसे interact करें because he has got a magic touch. He worked in South America and despite the language barrier, he moved mountains there. When he came back to his business, Oswal Cables, he doubled the revenue in 1 year. And now the plan is to go 4x in 2 years. So welcome Puneet.
Thank you Richa. I'm so happy to be on your YouTube channel. You're so inspiring and I always look forward to meet you.
We have many questions for Puneet. And what I did realize when I evaluated his model was he does not sell. But don't get disappointed. He does not sell does not mean कि इनका सामान market नहीं होता है. The point is he is a king of networking. So Puneet, can you tell me how do you spin this magic?
So I would like to tell everybody today that today, according to me, business means networking. आज हम लोग चाहते हैं कि sales करें, but sales is not important. The important part is to be connected to people. And how to connect to people is that if you are professional or you're not professional, doesn't matter. I think what you need to be is to be personal with people. The moment you understand how to become personal with people, they will help you to grow your business. And you will also help everybody or every single individual to add value to their network.
So Puneet, how do you network without sounding false? Because कई बार मैं देखती हूँ when people try to network, they seem so false. मतलब it's just like that.
Correct.
Very flaky.
You're absolutely right. So what I feel is that what generally people do is that when they go and network with people, so network doesn't mean that you're part of few organizations. You have so many people on your social media, but you're not connected to them. You're not, you don't have a personal touch with them. So the idea is that, when you meet people, meet with the intention of learning something, meet with the intention of, getting awareness, meet with the intention of, if they need something from you and you have learned throughout, in your journey, in your life, you should share it without any filters, without any expectation of returns. मतलब आप ये मत सोचो कि मुझे इस जने को मैं कुछ बता दूंगा तो मुझे क्या फायदा है. Doesn't work. You have to just share your knowledge. This knowledge sharing can actually, teach you a lot of things. Your concept becomes more concrete. You will see results flowing in, and your life is going to become better. And the important from all of these things is that you are going to get good friends, which is the most important thing. You have to, more than money, you need to enjoy your life. To enjoy your life, you need a set of friends where you can open up, you can discuss things, you can learn things, you can travel, you can explore, and you can do so many things. And this is the right intention when you meet people. The intention should not be to make money out of it.
So this is very interesting. Don't have an agenda, make friends, and the results will follow. I think this is brilliant. Now, Puneet, can you tell me that what are the platforms where one should network, or how do I find out कि मुझे किससे network करना है?
Correct. So when I say networking, I mean that networking should be connection. The connection can be with anybody. It can be with your vendors, it can be with your suppliers, it can be with your clients, it can be with your employees, it can be with your friends. And there are platforms like, you have business forums like YPO, EO, CII, BNI, Corporate Connections, and N number of platforms. You have social platforms like, Jain associations and Marwadi associations and N number of platforms. You have, people can get connected through cricket, through games, through so many other ways of doing it. Even through LinkedIn, like social media is a very good platform to get connected. But again, understand the only concept is that when you meet people, just be very open about it. Don't go with an agenda to just meet people so that you can derive any benefit out of it. Go there, be honest, be optimistic, be ready to help. If somebody asks you something, share it without filters. Doesn't matter. Nobody really cares about whatever you're sharing is going to give you not monetary benefits, but it can give you a lot of benefits. Your knowledge, your attitude, people will really like your, the trust is going to improve, your status in the society is going to improve. So this is very important how you should approach any social media network or any other socializing network.
That's very interesting. Now, just to humor us a little bit more, आप मुझे एक example बता सकते हैं जहाँ पे आपने किसी को selflessly help किया and you were able to bring business back into Oswald Cables?
Yes. So this is how it happened. तो एक बार क्या हुआ कि I was just sitting somewhere and I got a call from so because since she explained to you in the for the very good introduction, I would first like to thank her about my South America experiences. So what happened was that I was just sitting in my office and I got a call from somebody saying that we need your help. I said that, who are you? I don't know. Somebody called me randomly and said that I need your help. So I said that can you please explain who you are? So they were supposed to be one of the very large transmission EPC contractors of India. So which we were trying to reach out to since a very long time, but we were not able to find the right connect. And they said something very funny to me. They said that we want to go to this country, but we are not able to get the visas. So I said that why are you not able to get the visas? Like if that country we can't find that country on the map, and that country is rejecting us. So I said that okay, no problem. Can you please explain which country is that and what kind of help I can do? So बोले कि हम लोगों ने इतने कॉन्टैक्ट्स ट्राई कर लिए, हमने एक्सटर्नल अफेयर मिनिस्टर को बोल दिया, हमने CII के प्रेसिडेंट के थ्रू कॉल करा लिया, बट वो लोग हमारे को वीज़ा ही नहीं दे रहे. So that country happened to be a country in South America called Paraguay. So we have very very good contacts, and I have been there, lived in those countries. So I knew a lot of people from there. So I just called a few of my friends and like, this is the problem. Can you please help? These are friends from India, and we would like to invite them to our country. I just called Paraguay as our country because people are very friendly and they are very well connected with us, and I feel it is like second home to me. So I told them that we have to help them. So even they asked me why we should help anybody. Like, doesn't matter. They are just looking for help, and we should help. So being friends in Paraguay, they just make few calls, and then this particular company got all the 5 people got the visa in just one day.
Wow.
So and then we closed the chapter. And when they went there, and then they had another problems with language, with searching for right partners. They were not able to get registration. So we also helped that particular organization to get all of these things done. उसके बाद सब खत्म हो गया. We never thought that we have to do anything about it. We were not in contact with them. Recently, about like 3 or 4 days back, they called us and they said like we need your help to get this particular contract. And so we are helping them locally with our friends, and now they have in Oswald Cables, they have invited us to choose which project that we would like to do with them. Now it is not that we are pitching for a project, they are telling us to come and choose, and we are going to introduce you to every single department and you choose what you want to do. So this is how the networking helped us. And this again, I'm telling you, we had no intention to get any business back from them. It was just that randomly they called us through a friend, and then we helped them. That's it.
This is, I think, a very brilliant example of how networking is helping the organization. Can you tell our viewers a little bit about how you got settled in South America, and a little bit about your project there, so that we understand again how networking helped you to go and establish yourself in a new country?
So very interesting story. So how I reached to South America, I would like to start from there. So I came to Jaipur. I was studying in Bangalore, and I was not very keen on getting into my father's business. I thought that it is too dull. I won't be able to contribute much. So my father told me, what do you want to do? I said that I'm interested in digital marketing. I want to do all these different kind of advertisements and a lot of other things. So I told them that I just want to stay here for 3 months, and then I'm going to go to Bangalore. I'm going to work with my friends, and I want to start my own digital marketing agency. So my father told me, okay, just prove me that you are able to do this just with Oswald Cables.
Wow.
So I said, no problem. So I took 3 months to prepare everything: logo, brochure, participation into exhibitions, websites, and social media marketing, B2B portals, almost 300 portals we registered, all content, all everything. And then we started getting leads. So because we had nobody else to entertain through those leads, I was the only person who had to respond to every single lead that we were generating. So we got many leads from different countries. South America was one of them. So I just told my father that okay, we have these leads, you tell me what to do, because I don't know in this business, I just have these leads. So he said that, okay, if you want to do this, let's just prepare a quote, let me help you to prepare a quote. And I sat with him for a few days, and then I had no knowledge about this Spanish language, I had no knowledge about this business, nothing. So what I thought that, okay, let's try to do one by one. So I first learned Spanish in like few weeks. Then I translated all the documents of our company into Spanish. We submitted the quotations, and then people liked, the way we have presented. And then they said that we want to give you a trial order. I said that no problem. I just told my father that we are just going to get a trial order. So because my father thought that it is something which is very superficial, it's not going to happen. So he just gave a price double than the price that we generally quote in India. So he was very confident that we are not going to get anything. It is just to tell my son that I am supporting him. So I said that no problem. So we were negotiating with that particular client, and the client said, okay, I have confirmed the order, I am going to send 100% advance tomorrow. So I told my dad the same thing, Papa, kal 100% paise account mein aa jayenge. And it was about 1 crore order. 100% advance for a 1 crore order just from a country that nobody has heard of. So everybody started laughing. ये पागल हो गया आपका बेटा, इसको बैंगलोर ही भेज दो, ज़्यादा बेटर है. तो मैंने बोला कि पापा, let's see, I think it is going to happen. So next day I went to the bank myself. I waited the whole day for 5 or 6 hours, and then nothing came. I was so upset. I thought that I was so optimistic and nothing happened. I just went back to my house and I slept. Next day morning again we woke up. I did not go to the office because I was so upset that somebody has done something really wrong with me. And in the evening when my father came, he said that your money is come. Like, what money? Because I just erased it from my mind. I thought that I have been conned, I have been cheated. So मैं भूल गया था कि कुछ आने वाला है. He said, your money came. I said, which money? So he said that 1 crore advance that you were talking about is in the account.
Wow.
And that's how it started. And then we started, continue to do all these things. And then we help a lot of companies from China, from India, from Europe to go to South American markets. Whatever contacts we had, we just used them to help them to, explore those countries. And then with them, we were also exploring all of those countries. So that is how we were able to, generate business and build contacts and learned about so many new products, learned about so many new technologies, how Chinese behave, how Europeans behave, how Middle Eastern behave, because we were helping everybody, we were working with them. They were also helping us to enter into their market. So that's how it was going on. And then in the process, we realized that it is very important to be connected with the people personally. So we learned about different cultures, we learned about different businesses, the business models, thought processes, principles, ethics, and this is what is helping us to build relationships today with different individuals, different companies, different employees, vendors and friends and consultants, and it is really helping us, and I think everybody should do the same.
So a couple of interesting things that I noticed, that networking mehnat ka kaam to hai. So he learned Spanish and he did all the paperwork, he made new presentations, and what I could hear was that he helped a lot of people from other countries to get into South America. So this is a perfect example of networking. Do put in the comments box if you want to meet Puneet again. We will be very, very happy to invite him again. And do let us know what you want him to talk about next time, and you can get in touch with him. Just put a message in the message box. Keep watching the channel, and please do remember to like, subscribe and press the bell button. Thank you so much, Puneet.
Thank you very much. It was really happy. I was really happy to be here, and I would be very happy to see anybody else who would need any help from me. Thank you very much for inviting me.
Thank you.